भारत माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
Gen friends, today I am going to share a TED story based on this picture, which beautiful shows teamwork, compassion and service to humanity. Let's begin. So today in this picture we can see a few pupils distributing medicines and interacting with villagers. There is a table filled with medical supplies and some elders women are receiving assistance. The background suggests a ruler setting with a brick wall and temporary arrangements. From the scene, it's look like a medical relief camp or health awareness drives, possible organized in a flood affected areas. The overall atmosphere reflected cares, coordination and social responsibility. So start the TED story begins. Two medical assistant flood affected village were senior citizen facing medical facilities. Salim, 31-year-old doctor of primary health center, wash away in flood highlighted the issue of Medicare to district administrations and chief medical officer, asking mobile medical hospital. Heathrow civil administration got medical camp conducted by nearest military hospital. Oldies and diabetes, hypertension and other age-related unhealthy conditions were given priorities. The meantime, Medicare was a lifesaver for few oldies. So friend, this story shows how responsibility, teamwork and humanity can bring light even in the dark time. As a Mahatma Gandhi said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more TED story and SSB preparations videos. Jai Hind friends.